G'day Christmas lovers. Today we're taking the classic flavour of peppermint bark and turning it into a luxury truffle. We've got a dark chocolate mint ganache centre and a crunchy white chocolate candy cane shell. Let's get into it. We start with the dark chocolate. Chop it finely and place it in a bowl. Heat your cream until it just starts to simmer, then pour it over the chocolate. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then stir gently from the center until it's a glossy ganache. So I added my peppermint oil right in with the chocolate, poured over the cream, and gave it a stir. And then this happened. Yikes. Okay, don't throw it out. Here is the truth. I added the oil too early. The concentrated fat shocked the chocolate before it could emulsify with the cream. As long as chocolate isn't burnt, it is forgiving. We just need to rebalance the emulsion with a little hot liquid. Add a tablespoon of hot milk and whisk it like you mean it. Watch that texture change. And we're back in business. Glossy, smooth, and saved. Now we can chill it. Pop this in the fridge for at least 2 hours until it's firm enough to scoop. Once firm, scoop tablespoon-sized balls and roll them quickly in your hands, placing them on a lined tray. Freeze these for about 15 minutes. This is crucial, it stops them melting when we dip them in the warm white chocolate. While they freeze, crush your candy canes. You want small chunks, not dust. Melt your white chocolate in the microwave gently. Here is the trick. Stir the crushed candy canes directly into the melted white chocolate. This gives us that peppermint bark texture in every bite. Dip your cold dark chocolate balls into the white chocolate mix. Make sure they are fully coated in that crunchy shell. Let the excess drip off and place them back on the tray to set. You can have more excess drip off than here, but I prefer a rustic look. And there you have it. A crisp, sweet, crunchy shell and a dark, cool melting center. The perfect Christmas gift. Thanks for watching.